Do you know what a camera cage is? No, it's not a prison for cameras, but it is an extension to the camera which enhances its ability. So today I'll tell you all about it. So a camera cage goes around your camera, and it basically has a lot of mounting points that you can attach other accessories. You can maybe attach some handles, microphone, cold shoe, hot shoe, or a grip extension. There's a ton of accessories you can find online. All my camera cages come from SmallRig, which is one of the leading brands for camera cages. Today, the SmallRig cage that I have is this one for the iPhone 13 Pro, the newest one in the lineup. Now, for the mounting holes, it has two mounting holes on the bottom of the phone. It has a mounting hole on the side, two of them to be exact. We have a cold shoe on the side and on the top. And on the top we also have two more mounting points. And also this one has buttons for the volume, mute, and the rocker. So here is my iPhone in the cage. So as you can see, I've added a tripod, which is easier to grip when shooting some videos. I also have a side grip, which enhances when I hold it when I want to film maybe like a dolly or a pan-in shot. And I also have a top handle, which is this small one. So basically when I do low shots, I can hold it like this and then go down. And that allows me to get shots that are very close to the ground, which is a lot harder to do without a top handle or a cage. Now in some Sony's camera that I have, they have a grip extension. That's because the grip that comes with the camera is a bit small and a bit hard to hold. So if you have a grip extension, it's much easier to hold. And another benefit of a camera frame is that when you drop a camera, it's less likely to break because it will hit the aluminum frame, which is a lot more durable than most cameras which have plastic frame. Next, I will show you some examples of the difference in the footage with and without the cage. This is a comparison of a normal holding shot. On the left you have the camera cage, and on the right you have normal handheld. As you can see in the footage, in this orientation, it's pretty similar. When holding, it is much easier to hold using the camera cage. This is the front-facing camera. On the left you have the camera cage, and on the right you don't have the camera cage. You can very clearly see that on the right there's a lot more shaking. Also, you can change out the front piece. It comes standard with a moment lens attachment, but there are many front plates attachment that you can buy with different thread types. This is a low holding shot. You can very clearly see on the right, you cannot really see the frame. That's why it is a bit tilted, and there's also a lot of shaking. This is the portrait mode shot while walking. Okay, so can you spot the difference? Like maybe you can or maybe you can't. I mean, the footage is from the same phone at the same place. I went to Bench a Kitty Park, which is the new park that just opened, and I think it's really cool. So tell me in the comments, do you think it's better or worse? So I think SmallRig did a great product on this one. The frame is extremely well made. It's CNC'd and it's anodized. It has rubber gaskets so the phone doesn't get damaged or scratched easily. And the buttons are still very clicky. And what I like most about these SmallRig cages is like some accessories come with these tools hidden inside, so I can pull like a Allen wrench and then use it, which I think is really cool because most other frames you would have to carry an extra multi-tool with you, which can be hard at times, but with this you don't have to carry anything. It comes all included, and there are some kits from SmallRig that includes the cage, some handles, and tripod. You can check it out in their website, not sponsored by the way. So in conclusion, I think it's a lot more useful to have a camera cage. You can add accessories, and it's also a bit more tough and you can drop it more than a normal one. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.